Hello, my beautiful souls. So today I completed 40 weeks, and today is my due date. So it's around 8 o'clock in the morning, and I'm heading to my doctor's office for an ultrasound and a meetup. So I'm expecting that we will be discussing what's next from here, because it's already 40 weeks, and the labor is not yet induced naturally. So let's see how it goes. Baby is still inside. Hello, friends. So, in the morning, I said I went for the doctor's appointment. So, doctor told me that my cervix couldn't, like ripen, and it's laid back. So, decided to go for induction. So, I I went to the hospital and did the induction. They induced me with ripening like tablet inside my vagina, in like near the cervix. And then around 1:30 in the afternoon, they after the like induction, they monitored me for around 1 hour, and everything was looking good after induction. So they sent me back home, and they told me to wait for 6 hours and then go back in 6 hours. So from last 30 to 40 minutes, I was getting pain in my back and feeling discomfort. And now I noticed that I started little bit of bleeding too. So they have asked me to go there around 6:30. So I called them and I told that, okay, it's now 6:30, can I come? And I'm also be bleeding a little bit. So they told me to come. So I'm heading to the hospital now. So yeah, got induced and now going to the hospital. So I'll keep you guys updated. Hello, friends. So we are on the way to the hospital now. Almost there. Going to reach in just 2 minutes. So they induced me around 1:30 in the afternoon, and now it's around 7:15. So I'm getting some cramps and contractions, and also I had a little bit of bleeding. So going to just check on this. So because of COVID, they won't allow my husband now in the labor assessment, but once they see what's happening with me, then they might allow him, or we'll see. I'll keep you guys updated. So you can see that we're almost near the hospital. So this is one of the really good hospital in the Mississauga. It is Credit Valley Hospital. So in GTA, it's really renowned, a very good hospital, and good doctors are here. So I'm confident that everything will go good. So you can see from here. So that, if you can see, that is the Carlo Cancer Center. It's also a part of Credit Valley Hospital. Okay, I think I'm getting a little pain. So yeah, and we have to take a turn from here. And we have to go to the labor assessment, like the childbirth and pregnancy unit. So that's actually towards the end. This is actually the main hospital entrance, where you can see the ambulance and people waiting, and this is the emergency department. Yeah, this is the emergency, and you can see here. But we are going to the labor unit, which is this one, which is this. Okay guys, talk to you later. Hi guys, so I decided to go with induction, and yeah.
We'll get you all wrapped up, okay?
Did you do the measurements, Rebecca?
Yeah, I did.
Whatever. I'll put them in the record.
35 for head circumference,
Yep.
and then 53 for length.
So he's 20 inches long. 20.87 inches long. That's good.
He is pretty long. Look at him. Skinny and long.
Okay, Mama, let's go into breastfeeding.
Okay, we can try. Do you want to try the left?
Yeah.
Okay, let's